this pan I have a little oil. I'm going to add about a pound. That's approximately a pound of hamburger that we're going to cook up. I'm going to add some onions in here, and all this is to taste. Oh, I'm stuttering. Okay, here is 2 cups of bouillon. Let me just show you here. I have some chili base, better than bouillon. That's what I was trying to get out. And I added about 2 tablespoons to 2 cups of water. We're just gonna pour that in, all of it. Okay, we're gonna get it up to a boil again. See how it's heated up again? I'm going to turn it down low. And we're gonna cover it and let it do its thing for about 15 minutes. Okay, that's been about 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do, we're going to layer these flavors. Most of, well, let's say all of the flavors that I'm about to add in was in the chili base. But we're just going to lay it and make it a little bit more robust. Okay? And this is chili powder. About a teaspoon more. Going to add some salt, not much. Some pepper. Some granulated garlic. You can add fresh garlic if you choose. I'm also going to add a pinch of sugar, just a pinch. Some Worcestershire or some W sauce. Just a few little shakes. I'm adding ketchup. Ooh, made a mess. That was about a tablespoon or so. A little mustard. That's about a half a teaspoon or so. And I'm going to stir this. Get that all mixed in. And my tomato paste. 1, 2. Let's just say 2 teaspoons, okay? Let's get this back on here. Let me taste it. That's good. We're gonna let this. Why are you doing that? We're gonna let these flavors. My camera is tripping. What is going on? Some weird stuff. Did you see that? Then we're going to cover it and let it finish doing its thing, okay? And the ghost in my telephone, could you please go away? My cell phone, rather. Could you please go away? Stop moving my camera. In the name of Jesus. So you let it cook down to your desired thickness. See this? And that's about like I like it. And then I have air fried 3 hot dogs. Just gonna put them in there like this. And I'm gonna let it go for about another 10 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. That's about how I want it. See? I have my rice over here. Have some green onions in it. I'm gonna add some cheese because I love cheese. This is what I have in the fridge, so this is what I'm using. And I need some more onions, of course. Let's see what I'm doing. I need a little more. As my little friend says on Home Alone, let's give it a whirl. You already know. And then those fresh sweet onions. The cheese. One more bite. Delicious. Hey, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And don't forget to pray. Until next time, later. Better make you some.